Check out this cool thing I found on Amazon, especially here at the end of August going into September. It's a portable air conditioner. So it comes with 3 of these that you fill with water and you put them in the freezer, which I have already done. They're mostly frozen. So, and I just pulled it out of the box. So you open this up. Hold on, I can't do it with one hand. Okay. So I opened it up. These slide in there, and they're frozen. Right? That goes in there. Movie magic here because I'm one-handed. This opens up, and we're going to put a little bit of water in there. Okay. Now put the lid back on it. Okay, so we got water in it. Can you hold that so I can open it real quick?
Hold what?
Just put your hand there. Hold it. There we go. We've got our frozen ice trays in there. Has a spare. So it's rechargeable batteries. It comes with a little USB cable. So here we can turn a little light on. Look at there. Now it's blowing.
What do those buttons do?
So that's the one to... As it blows.
Yeah.
You feel it?
Yeah. It's actually cold air.
It is cold air, isn't it?
What the hell? Oh, it's like the ice chest things people make.
Yeah. But it's got a little handle here. Now it says very specifically, do not tilt it because you don't want the water to seep out and, you know, mess with your electronics. Let me turn the light off, whatever. It's going to be our fan speed. And then off and on there.
Yeah, that's actually blowing cool air.
So I'll turn the fan speed up a little bit. That is nice. That would be great.
At the desk.
Oh, at your desk? Sitting in a hot vehicle? You can see the fan blowing in there with the little frozen ice trays. Turn it around very carefully here. And the little USB comes in there. You will, however, need a plug bank to go because everything seems to just be coming with the cable itself. But change the colors on the light. That is awesome. This is a win. That feels so good right here. Wish I had a thermometer. That feels good.